All right, early morning at the farm, going out for a solo duck hunt. A couple minutes later than I would like to be, but walking over to our spot. It's about 25 degrees to start the morning. It's going to be clear. There's not much wind. The other day we hunted these conditions and we didn't see a lot of ducks. They flew really early and then pretty much cut off by about 7:20. So we'll see how today goes. We're at the spot, just putting out some decoys. Don't know how well you can see that. We'll see in the video. Got a light set up. We'll put out probably about 18 decoys. Got a dozen ring necks, because that's what we mainly are seeing this year is these ring necks. Haven't seen a mallard all year. It's already January, so only a couple more weeks left in the season. If he's low on this pass, I'm gonna take him. All right, sun's starting to come up a little bit more now. It's just starting to peek over the trees. You can see it up on the bluff across the way. Haven't seen any ducks fly in a little while, but it's about time for the geese to start flying. So I'm gonna put a few decoys out. Now they're a little frosty. I'm gonna dip them in the water here. Get that frost off. We'll see how far I can toss these big boys. All right. See if I can get them past those ducks, you think? Right on top. So I can get this one past. We'll see. Oh Lord. All right. So hard to get a good grip on them. Not too bad. Not too bad. At least they're not like touching each other. A little close to the ducks. That might seem a little weird for the geese. But hell, I called that single in with no decoys out. So we'll see. We will see. Close the bag back up. Has not been much activity this morning. Can't say I've seen a duck fly in probably 30 minutes. Maybe longer before that single goose came in that I got earlier. This morning we've seen a couple groups come in. One decent sized group. Probably had 15-20 birds. Oh, there's a goose making noises. I don't know if he heard me over here talking. We'll see if they'll come over here to me. Of course, there's the ducks coming. Got one of those three, of that 3-pack. Looks like a Drake ringneck. If these fly over, I'm gonna try them. There's those ducks over there, 2-pack. Some ducks right here. Maybe that one in the water, he's still got a little kick to him. I don't know, we'll see where they go. Getting down. Come on over here, boys. Come to me. Nope. Over in the corner. Have over in the corner. Little action right there. Not to die. So just wanted to get a little exit video here before it dies. I'm still gonna stick out the hunt, but just wanted to kind of show y'all what's going on. Got about, I don't know, 12.5 decoys, mainly ringnecks, and then some hen mallards, because they actually look a little bit more like the ringneck hens than the ones that came in this decoy pack. So far, 2 ringnecks, a hen and a drake, and then 1 goose that I got this morning. So hopefully we'll see what comes. I'm going to sit it out until probably that mid-morning flight and see what happens. Thank you all for coming out this morning with me. Have a good one.